Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another nighttime pouring episode. Tonight we are going to be testing out these beautiful Prism Pour paints that were sent to me by Leslie Ohnstad from Color Art, and you can find them at colorart.com. Baxter is here, he's in his crate, so if you hear whining, that's what it is. He's fine though. But I want to pour. And tonight we're going to be doing the bloom swipe using the Prism Pour. So let me show you what I'm using real quick, and I will list everything in the description box for you in more detail. This is the, what was it? Behr Premium, oh sorry, Glidden Premium Semi-Gloss in pure white. This is the base one, and I have mixed this with GAC 800. Not super thick, not super thin, leaving a mound and then sinking into itself. This is going to be my base, or my pillow paint. Okay. Then we have this first beautiful color is Royal Sapphire, and it is just gorgeous, just beautiful. And HOA, can you see that shimmery sparkle in there?
Yes, I can.
Amazing. It's like mesmerizing. The paints are all mixed with my pouring medium, which is the Behr Deep Base Interior Exterior High Gloss Enamel, and some of the Minwax Polycrylic. Right here, I don't know why I was turning around the other way. So this is polycrylic and that deep base. That's my pouring medium, and that's what I have mixed all of the paints with. So this one is the Royal Sapphire. I also have this beautiful one is Peach Dahlia, which is so pretty and just super blingy. Gorgeous stuff.
It's really thick.
It is, well, no, it's not actually, with the, maybe a little mound before it sinks. It's pretty good. And the next one is Pink Diamond, which is a very pretty color, very sparkly also, kind of color shifty, which is very nice. And then we have this last one is Violet Rose, which is a very pretty iridescent shimmery purpley blue. Very cool. So, and then, oops, I'm putting it there. Last but not least, we have Chantilly Lace, which has got to be one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life. Absolutely amazing. That, like, it's like cupcake frosting. Just gorgeous stuff. Who needs to paint? I could just sit here and stir this stuff all night. My cell activator is Amsterdam Greenish Blue mixed with Australian Floetrol. Okay, so that's the C8. And we are using this lovely palette knife that Leslie also sent. This is from Color Art, also colorart.com. This is the large square color swiper. So this is very cool. So first thing we're going to do, clean up a little bit. We are going to put down some pillow paint on this wooden canvas panel. This is the other one over here. So these are by US Art Supply wooden painting panels. This is a 16 by 16. Gallery wrapped. It's a 2-pack. So I have taped the back, but I'm not going to show you because I have it also. I put some tape in the middle of the wooden panel, and then I flip the spinner on top of that so that it is actually taped on there and it is centered. So, okay, here we go. Let's start. I'm going to put some pillow paint down. It's okay, Baxter, you're just fine, buddy. And then we're gonna start with actually some of this beautiful peach color, and I think I'm just gonna drizzle it off my stick. And then I'm gonna come in with some of this beautiful Violet Rose. Okay, I'm going to put some of
By the way, yes, I'm ready.
I just got so, are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
I'll ask.
Okay, we're going to put some of this pretty Chantilly Lace down. I want to eat this stuff, it's so pretty.
It's like donut frosting.
It does, it totally does. And then some of this other one, this Royal Sapphire, which is just amazing.
Specifically, Krispy Kreme donut frosting.
And now we're going to use a little bit of the Pink Diamond on there as well. But I'm going to put this around the outside because I don't really want it next to that bluish purple, or the bluish green. Okay, so let's scoot those back up there. We're going to take our cell activator and we're going to put some on the back of our spatula. And let the rest drip back into the cup. I hope that's not too thick. It might be. You might need to add a little bit more of the Floetrol, but we'll see. Okay, we're going to swipe this across. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, Mina, I'm ready.
Here we go. Pretty cells. Okay, the CA might have been a little bit thick because I don't see a lot of color coming up except right in here. So let's see. What do you think, HOA? Should we put on more color or should we spin this out and it's kind of cool by how it is?
No, I think it's cool the way we did.
Alright. Cut this off then. Okay.
I love that sound.
There we go. Okay. I'm going to put some more of our pillow paint down around this side.
That's one squeaky cake spinner there.
Is that what we're calling him this week? I thought it was land shark. Okay, I'm just going to spread this out just a bit. Because I don't want a super thick puddle in the middle. And I do want to make sure we go over our corners and edges. I'm going to give this a very, actually I'm going to tilt this first just a tiny bit. I can see that Chantilly coming in through there. It's so pretty. I probably shouldn't have tilted the whole thing, but I wanted it in the middle. Okay, now that it's more in the middle, we're going to give this a gentle spin. Maybe one more. Well, I'm going to tilt the whole thing that way a little bit. Okay, I'm going to give it one more spin. What do you think, HOA?
I like it. I like how subtle the magenta.
I think that was pink diamond.
Pink diamond.
But this thing over there should tilt that off.
I like it.
You like it? See, up here in this corner you can really see all the colors. What do you think, HOA? Should we stop there? Or should we add a little bit more? Should we try to get this to go to the edge?
Looks like a magic sword.
A magic sword. We could wreck it a little bit. We could put a marble through there. Easy.
Seems groovy to me.
Let's do that. Okay. Let's see. see.
Does that look too much like a man part?
This part, that's exactly what I was doing, to marble. I'm going to start over here. Are you ready, HOA?
Aye, lass.
Okay. Oh, that Chantilly Lace is amazing. Oop, a little too fast there. I think I have it spread a little thin out over here. So we're just going to go really slow and take it off that edge. Okay.
Wow, that's really cool.
Really? Really? You are a silly puppy. Do you think it needs a little bit more marbling or no? I kind of like it. And I wouldn't mind a little bit more here on this edge. Let's do that. Let's put it on. Let's start like over here. Better. What do you think? Oh my gosh, there's this beautiful like holographic shimmer over there on the side. Alright, I like this. I think it looks pretty cool. Very summertime sherbet, relaxing, beautiful colors, and that sparkle on there is just insane. I don't know, I hope you guys can see it too. And I do see all the different colors. They're a little thicker over here, which makes me think that maybe my cell activator. Baxter. Baxter, what's the matter, baby? We're almost done. Chill out, buddy. We'll be done in just a second, okay? All right, I'm gonna go rescue my howling dog. I'll be back when this is dry. Thank you guys so much for being here with us tonight. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is about a week later. This is our 16 by 16 inch wood panel using our Prism Pour paints to do a bloom swipe. So the base coat on this one was the Glidden Essentials, and the deep base that we used as our pouring medium was Behr Interior Exterior High Gloss Enamel. It turned out very pretty. I actually almost see like an ostrich face. Very pretty though, beautiful cells in here, beautiful colors. I really like this violet, very, very pretty, especially with that royal sapphire. Some of that pink diamond up here and a little bit of the peach, very pretty. We did the marble roll through this one. I like it. I like it a lot. Kind of soft down here, lots of beautiful cells. The marble added a lot of dimension. Really pretty stuff. That Chantilly Lace is amazing. It's so sparkly and blingy. I hope you guys can see it. Really, really pretty stuff. So this was cool. Thank you, Leslie from Color Art. You guys can get your Prism Pour paints at colorart.com. And also Baxter wanted me to give you guys his apologies for causing such a ruckus the other night after we were done shooting, I took him out of his crate and put him on his bed, and he went right to sleep. So I guess he just didn't want to be in the crate. And thank you to my lovely daughter Tati, who's holding the painting so that Gail can't steal it. Is there someone you wanted to say hi to?
Hello, Andrew.
Andrew is her friend. Proof. Anyways, thanks so much for being here, guys. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. We will see you on Sunday, and we're going to talk a little bit more about the Fluid Art Experience happening in Dallas, November 12th and 13th, which is going to be really, really exciting and fun.
Go see
So, thanks for being here, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.